Hello family, welcome back. Sir here. In this video, I'm going to give you a tour of two homes, same floor plan, the BLYTHE floor plan that will be available in the Farrington community in Huntersville, North Carolina. Now this video is a follow-up on the model home tour that I gave you for the Preston 2 floor plan for MI Homes. And in that video, I went in depth about MI Homes and why I like them as a builder. But before we jump into this video, I want to shout out a couple people. I want to shout out Tanya, Eddie, and Lauren, James, and Jessica. Thank you for reaching out. Thank you for trusting us and representing you in your home purchase and home sale. We greatly appreciate it, and we look forward to hearing from many more of you looking for us to help you on your home buying or selling journey. Now let's get into this model. Now I'm showing you two models of the same floor plan because you can see how they can be configured differently. And I really like this BLYTHE floor plan because it is just so spacious and so large. You can have it with a grand, and I do mean grand, living room area, or you can have a huge bonus room. And this is the first time that this floor plan is able to be purchased or bought in the Farrington community in Huntersville, North Carolina. So come with me, let's look at this model and let me know your thoughts. Which option would you choose? Would you choose the one with the great living room, or would you choose the one with the very large bonus room? If you're new to the channel, we talk about all things money, real estate, and give you property tours and information about certain areas of the Carolinas. So if you're interested in any of those things, go ahead and join the family. Hit that subscribe button and also tap on that bell icon so you can be notified when we drop new videos. All right, let's go take a look at this property. Now this is the first example of a BLYTHE floor plan with the grand living room. Again, this BLYTHE floor plan has a 3-car garage, and as you see, it has an extra wide garage on that 2-car part. Now that second, 3rd-car garage, you can obviously use it for a car, a golf cart. I've also seen it set up as a home gym. It really opens up options for you when you have that 3rd-car garage. You can do as you wish. Now, when you come in, I want you to pay attention to the fixtures. These are the standard fixtures that come in the Tradition series, as well as the wall finishes in that dining room and foyer. That comes standard as well. Now, this is the great living room area with that huge ceiling. Now, with that fireplace, you can choose to do it one of 3 ways. You can have it as it is. You can do stones halfway, or you can do stones all the way up to the ceiling to make it just appear even more grand. Now this example of the BLYTHE floor plan, you have that grand opening. Now the one we go to next won't have the grand opening, but it will have the bonus room above it. So you get to see the various options and what you can do with it. Large kitchen, eating area, tons of counter space. Now this outdoor patio, that comes standard. You can choose to extend it, which you will see in the other example, and you can cover both of them if you wish. Again, this is the standard package. Those appliances are standard. The cabinets are upgraded though. They chose to do a drop zone right here. You will see that the other model chose a different option right there when you come in off of the garage. This is your large pantry area, as well as laundry downstairs on the 1st level. Again, look how large this kitchen is. Perfect for entertaining. You have a butler's pantry right here. Take another look at the dining room with the tray ceilings. And again, those wall finishes are standard. Now when you come in, you can choose to do a half bath right here, or you can have a full bedroom or a study area. Now I always urge people, if you're going to do anything downstairs to make it a full bedroom, you can always use it as an office. but for resale value, it has the closet already there and it already is a bedroom. And they did a full bathroom down here with the tub shower combination. Now let's head upstairs real quick. Now upstairs, you still have this loft area. So you have a little bit of bonus space right here. Then you just have this grand opening where you get to see and marvel at your living room. Again, picture that fireplace with stone columns going all the way up. I will link to another video, a Taylor Morrison Aragon floor plan, where it does have the stone stacked up all the way to the ceiling, and that will give you an example of what that will look like. Now this is a guest bedroom with a very large walk-in closet. Look at the size of this guest bedroom with its own private bathroom. Now let's head and see the rest of the upstairs. Again, pay attention to these fixtures. Now they did upgrade the black wrought iron right there. That is an upgrade, but these fixtures in the bathroom is standard. Please reach out to my team and I. We would love to help you. If you're interested in this new construction community or this builder, again, this is MI Homes. This is the BLYTHE floor plan. It is brand new to the Farrington community. Now, it's not new in their general line, but this is one of their most popular models and one of their largest models, and it wasn't available before now in this community. So please reach out to my team and I. We would love to help you, advocate for you, and represent you throughout your purchase. Our number is on the screen. We look forward to hearing from you. Now, before we go into the owner suite, let's take one more look at this grand living room area. 20+ foot ceilings. You have the tray ceilings that come standard in the owner suite. You have a nice long owner suite. Dual vanities separated by a tub. And in this model, they chose to do an extended shower. You'll see a different option in the next model we go tour right after this. And a very large and significant closet. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think of this bathroom? What do you think of that living room area? Let me know what you decide, whether it will be the first option or the second option. We're about to go look at that second option right now. And you'll see different fixtures as well. Now in the Farrington community, this BLYTHE model will be right around $600,000. With additional upgrades and stuff, you'll be right around $650,000 right now. Now again, that price is subject to change, but that is the current pricing. Now let's head on in. Now these fixtures in here, these are level 2 fixtures. So they chose to upgrade the fixtures in here. You have the black, look a little bit more stylish. But you'll see that while the ceilings are still high, you do not have that great living area where it just goes up 20+ feet. And at the fireplace, again, you can keep it as is, or you can have stone going all the way up to the ceiling. Now the cabinets in this home are standard. Those are the free option, no upgrades. So they did a little bit of reverse. They kept the standard cabinets, but they upgraded the lighting fixtures. And before, you saw in the drop zone right there, here you have a little computer nook area, and they chose to do a vent over the stove. There's the vent right there on the ground. As opposed to doing the tub shower combo, they just have a shower downstairs. You see the upgraded light fixtures in the bathroom as well. And they also chose to do a full bedroom, which I believe is just a smart option to do for resale purposes. Now I want you to see the extended patio area. If I can get out. So you have the extended patio. They didn't cover it, but again, you can cover this patio. Now I'm not going to show you the entire home because most of it is the same, but I do want to point out the differences. So let's go upstairs and see the differences. Again, you still have that loft area right there. And as opposed to overlooking the living room, you have this huge bonus room. I've seen some people use it as a theater room. I've seen people put pool tables in here. Again, you can do what you wish with this huge bonus room. So what would you choose? Would you have the huge bonus room, or would you have that great grand living room with 20+ foot ceilings? Now we're in the owner suite again. Still 2 separated vanities, and they chose to have a shower, but not the extra long shower as we saw on the other floor plan. And that does it. Those are the 2 different examples of the BLYTHE floor plan for MI Homes. Let me know your thoughts regarding both of these floor plans and which option would you choose.